Did you know that websites that tell a story convert up to 400% better than traditional websites? But most service providers still fill their websites with features and credentials, and they're wondering why qualified leads aren't reaching out. Today, I'm going to share a science backed framework that transforms your website from a digital brochure into a client converting machine. Here's what makes stories so powerful. When we experience a compelling story, our brains release specific chemicals that drive decisions. Cortisol keeps us engaged, oxytocin builds trust, dopamine creates excitement about the potential success, and endorphins generate positive feelings about the transformation to come. This follows a universal pattern that's literally hardwired into our brains. Think about Star Wars. Luke Skywalker is the hero, facing impossible challenges, while Yoda shows up as the guide, offering wisdom and a path forward. This same pattern works powerfully on your website. Your clients are the hero in your story. They're facing challenges that keep them up at night. Maybe they're overwhelmed, they're stuck, they're unsure how to move forward. Your website needs to reflect these challenges back to them. This is where you come in, not as another hero, but as their guide. Notice how Yoda never talks about his own achievements. Instead, he focuses entirely on Luke's journey. Your website should work the same way. In today's distracted world, you have just 7 seconds before someone swipes away from your website. In those 7 seconds, you must communicate 3 things. What do? How it will make their life better, and the clear step they should take next. Here's an example from a relationship coach. Her website would say, I help couples rebuild trust and intimacy after infidelity so they can create a stronger relationship than ever before. Book your relationship breakthrough call today. That's how you make those 7 seconds count. We've gone over what she does, how it's going to make their life better, and what she wants them to do next. When you get this right, something remarkable happens. Your sales cycle shortens because clients arrive on your discovery calls pre-sold. They book calls already knowing you understand their challenges and can help them succeed. If you'd like help implementing this framework, book a money-making messaging call with me today, and let's transform your website into a story that sells. Remember, your expertise might get you on someone's shortlist, but it's the emotional connection created through a story that gets you chosen.